Are we live? Just a sec. I think we're live. We're live? Yeah, we're live. Alright. So, hello everyone, and welcome back to my stream. And if you're new to my stream, my name is Abhishek Sharma, and I'm trying to build a full stack social media application using Monstack and Typescript. So, if you enjoy my stream, do consider subscribing to this channel, and let's get started. Just a sec. There we go. Alright. Clear cd backend cd frontend. So we'll start the Redis first. Oh no, my code. Hello, brother. Hello, no, my code. Welcome to my stream. How are you? Docker ps dash a docker start Redis server docker ps dash a server is up and running. Okay. Then here if I come npm dev and here npm dev. Alright, front end is running, back end is running. Come here, localhost 5173. Oh no, my code. Bro, I didn't understand how is Docker PS different from Docker PS-A. Basically, Docker PS, I think it shows active containers. I think that's what it is. Let's see. What is the difference between Docker PS and Docker PS-A? Docker PS, Docker machine, okay. Hold on, if I do docker ps continually, I don't think there's any difference. Okay, fine, there we go. Test user. Just a sec. Today I need to do some cleanup. MongoDB compass. Learn social media application. MongoDB compass connect. Then launch social media posts. Let's delete all the collections because we made some changes. Delete, 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 delete. I can just drop collection posts, drop collection. Fine. If I do this, I'm going to test user 2, test user 2. Fine. No post found. Okay. Now if I go to profile, no post yet. Let's upload a profile. Cloudinary users login here. We'll log in here. Um, yeah, continue. Bharat Podar. Hello, brother. Should I continue in GSOC 2026? I'm in 8 SEM. Should I contribute to GSOC? Bharat Podar, yeah, sure. You should contribute. If you get the opportunity, you should contribute to GSOC 2026. It will help you a lot. Now let's do one thing. Can I click delete all the assets? Settings. Delete all the assets. Come here. Come here. Select another one. Select all assets. Check availability operations. Delete and delete. Okay. ग्रो सलमान सर आपने मॉर्न स्टैक कितने मंथ में कंप्लीट की थी और डेली कितने आवर्स कोडिंग करते थे ग्रो सलमान I learned MERN stack. I've been learning MERN stack since last 1 or 1.5 months. But before I worked with like other tech stack like Django and Spring Boot, so I know how full stack works. So that is why I was able to learn it very quickly, and I only used to code around 2 to 3 hours every single day. So let's come here. Post found profile. Pixels.com videos videos. Enjoying by the beach. It was a good day. Let's make this good. Bold. Upload video. This video. Let's upload. 7, 16, 7, 31, 35, 36. Okay, post uploaded. And am I getting the video? Video showing. Yeah, video is showing. Okay, video is playing. And if I come here in assets, I got this video. Okay, let's create one more post. Working with working on a MERN project. Image. Let's upload this. Let's post. Babur. Guys, am I audible? Do let me know if I'm audible or not. I think I'm audible. Am I audible? Guys, do let me know if I'm audible or not. बाबू राव मस्तानी हेलो बाबू राव वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम हाय ब्रो मैंने कर रखा प्रोजेक्ट भी बनाया था बट पर फिर न्यू टेक सीख रहा था तो वेब डी कम हो गई थी अब बैकएंड रिवाइज करना कैसे करूं simple like start building small applications like build a to do application full stack to do and as you already know how the web app works you can start by building applications and whenever you get error use AI to debug the error but understand the code Bharat Podar, your video voice, I think, gone. Okay, okay. Rajesh Sahani, Cloudinary for storing assets. Does it provide free? Rajesh Sahani, yes, Cloudinary has a very generous free tier. So it is good for this project. Bharat Podar, yes, yes, audible. Okay, fine. Just a sec. If I come here, where is it? This is fine. If I come here, my social media, let me refresh. Post, this is my post. Video is an object. URL public ID. Image. URL public ID. Okay, this is done. Now let's log in with another user. Test user one. Test user one. So come here. Let's go to profile. Upload new. Think like a Spartan. Make this bold, make this large. Let's upload a Spartan video image. I have a Spartan image. Spartan image. This one. Upload this. Post. I need to fix this. So, yeah, this is here. Come here. Refresh. Mic is not getting registered. Okay, this is done. But if I come here and if I also create one new incognito window, localhost 5173, login as test user test user 2 test user 2 user not found test, okay, test user 2, and here also test user 2. If I log in, fine, this is what we are doing. Okay, hold on, any issues? Yeah, okay, this will not work because we have to fix this. Hold on, why is this not working? But here it is working. Test user 2, test user 2. Okay, these images, they okay, okay, fine. Test user 2. Hold on, go to profile. What is this new issue here? If I come here, log in here. If I go here, okay, let's see. Fine. बाबू राव मस्तानी, भाई लाइक वेब डेव में यू ऑल्सो नो कि वो न्यू फीचर करने के लिए डॉक रेफर करना पड़ता है या एआई टू डू टू डू करने टू डू रिक्रूटर्स एक्सपेक्ट कि हमें लाइन टू लाइन कोड आए कॉज यू आर यार अगर 2 से 3 प्रोजेक्ट बना भी लिया होता और टाइम हो जाता तो याद नहीं रहता कोड ऐसे। सी कोड किसी को याद नहीं रहता है, ठीक है, ओनली व्हेन यू प्रैक्टिस अ लॉट देन कोड वो आप इफ यू मेक मोर प्रोजेक्ट्स यू विल बिकॉज ऑफ योर muscle memory you will understand the code, but the thing is that you need to understand the flow, but for to reach that level you have to be very good in a programming language. For example, if you're going for MERN stack you have to be very good in JavaScript. Bharat Podar, I think you are using external keyboard because this is not your laptop typing sound. Yeah, I'm using an external keyboard, Bharat Podar. Fine. Yeah, this is fine. Oh, because I have deleted the assets file. Okay, no issues, no issues, no issues, no issues. Just for test user 2. Test user 2, I come here, profile, just change the profile image. And the profile image, and this image. Fine. If I come here, this is here. I come here, test user 2, refresh. Yeah, okay, this is fine. Test user 1, okay, okay, this is fine. But likes are not getting registered. Why? Let's see. This test user 2 will like of test user 1. Inspect. Go to network. When I like, what is happening? Like, response, message, did you like the post? Success true. This is happening, and someone liked your post is also happening. So it should be two. Refresh. Why it is only one? This is the major issue here. Okay. So what is happening in my backend src controller? This is my post controller. This is my like controller. This is my post model. है ना? Okay. Varat Podar, UI is looking good. Oh, thank you, Varat Podar. बाबूराव मस्तानी ब्रो, एनी रिकमेंडेशंस और क्या सीखना चाहिए? मेरे को मर्न आता है और मैं सोच रहा हूँ एआई सीखने का. एनीथिंग एल्स यू रिकमेंड फॉर इंडस्ट्री? You know, Baburao, like I can recommend a lot of things, and I think you need a detailed roadmap for this. Like, I love you, bro. Any recommendation और क्या सीखना चाहिए? मेरे को मौन आता है और मैं सोच रहा हूँ एआई सीखना. Anything else you recommend for industry? Baburao, like I do provide my mentorship uh, on a one-on-one call where I can guide you there. So if you're interested in that, it's paid one-on-one call. So if you're interested, you can DM me on Instagram and we can hop on a call, and it's a 1 hour call and I'll guide you with everything. If you're interested, do you can DM me on Instagram. पोदार LLM सीखना चाहिए क्या? हाँ, LLM is very important, Vadat Poddar. You should learn LLM. Coders ST01. When you launching this? Coders, like I'll be launching this in few days, most probably because there are a few bugs, and then I have to. Major thing is that after solving the bugs, I need to make this, this application responsive as well. See, likes are getting stored. All right, likes. If I come here, where is it? Yeah, if I come here, followers, profile image. Hold on, post controller. This is my post controller. Get post for home. Popular post. Get all post for home. Cache data posts. Cache key. Renova Digitals. Hello there, bro. Hello, Renova Digitals. Welcome back to my stream. How are you? I'm doing good, Renova. How are you, brother? P4 Coda. Do you have any work experience? Yes, P4 Coda. I did work for 1 year, and now I'm trying to build my own startup. Coders, I don't want to disturb you, but can you please explain your project app? Okay, it's a social media application using MERN and TypeScript. It's basically a mixture of Instagram, Twitter, and Reddit. So I combined all these three and I tried to build this application. And it also has chatting system also where users can chat, and everything is real time data. I have implemented web sockets also using Socket.io. You're not disturbing me, coders. Renova Digitals, all good one. Oh, that's great. By the way, guys, like if you need my mentorship, um, you can. It's a paid mentorship so that I can get serious people who are actually serious about this. So if you are interested, you can DM me on Instagram for my paid mentorship. Like it's a 1 hour call. Uh, you will get my undivided attention and I can guide you with your uh, like whatever your questions you have and what you want to learn. I can guide you and provide you my mentorship. So if you're interested, do let me know. Okay, Shivam Sharma. Hello, Shivam Sharma. Welcome to my stream. If any user use your app, so unki chats encrypted रहेगी. I have not Shivam Sharma, right now I have not done the encryption. Not implemented encryption right now. Okay. Babu Rao Mastani. Oh, that's great. We'll get back to you on Insta. अच्छा bro, how do you implement the logic flow or any feature, like अगर मेरे को ये feature बनाना है तो do you ask AI or what? See, Basically you have to first you have to be very good in CRUD applications like create, read, update, delete. You have to be very good in full stack core full stack development. Your core full stack development should be very good. And after that, no matter what you did, what you build, all the other application will be use the same CRUD application logic, but some extra features, some extra logic will be there. So to understand which logic you need to implement, you have to be very good in understanding the CRUD application, CRUD full stack applications. Renova Digitals, how far is your socket progress? Yeah, socket has been implemented. We have implemented socket. All the chats are real time now. For example, if I come here, basically test user 2, if I go to yeah, this test user 2, and test user 2 will text test user 1. And if I come here, if I say hello here, there I'll get the chat on real time. See, I got the chat on real time. So sockets have been implemented. Okay. Suraj, Dai. Hello, Suraj. Welcome to my stream. Spartans. Yeah. Shivam Sharma. In future, add karoge encryption. Yes, my goal is to add encryption, but that will be later. Like first, I'll deploy this without encryption and see like how is the response, people are liking it or not, and then if this application grows, then I'll implement encryption. Renova Digitals. What do WebSockets actually do? Like establishing a pipeline for chat. See, WebSockets do implement a concept of multi-processing. Basically, JavaScript is not a multi-threaded language; it's a single-threaded language, right? But to solve this issue, basically, what happens? We create a circuit. Understand that this is your app server, right? Or you can, for understanding, this can be your server. You can understand this as server. But when we work with sockets, we also make a circuit that is same as this app server, right? And what happens, for example, this is a circuit, this is a server, and we create socket. For example, if user 1 is logged in, this is my user 1, this user 1 is connected to the circuit. Then now again, if user 2 is simultaneously has logged in another browser or anything, another device, then user 2 is also connected to the circuit, and similarly with other users, right? Now all these users are connected to the same circuit, right? And now all of these users are connected to the same circuit, so basically they are also connected to each other at real time because the connection has been established. So basically what happens, this both the users are connected to the same circuit. That's why when these two communicate, it happens in real time. That's what that's how I understood it. All right. Rahul Sharma. Hello Rahul Sharma. Renova Digitals. Does it include encryption or what does we do with that actually? Actually, the thing is that in encryption, what happens basically, if someone comes to my database, that person can see the text, right? That person can see the text. So encryption is basically encrypting this text also. So if someone hacks the database, nobody can see the text. That's encryption. बाबूराव मस्तानी, जो आपने सॉकेट्स लगाया है वो 1 to 1 है, लाइक यूजर को वो लोग दिखेंगे जो उसने चैट कर रखी है या ओपन चैट है ओनली। बाबूराव, इन दिस एप्लीकेशन आई हैव लाइक यूजर ने जिससे चैट किया से वही चैट दिखेगा, सबका और सब कुछ नहीं दिखेगा, सब लाइक ऑल दी यूजर्स विल नॉट बी विजिबल हियर। उससे क्या है कि प्राइवेसी इश्यूज हो जाता है, जिससे आप कॉन्वर्सेशन कर रहे हो सिर्फ उसी का चैट दिखना चाहिए ना। ओके, सो देयर वी गो। पोस्ट कंट्रोलर, post for home, data, aggregate, like lookup, comments, like count, and like controller. Okay, let's do one thing. This is my code. I know what is the issue. Okay, Ritik. Hello Ritik, welcome back to my stream. Hello bhai. Hello Ritik. This is my code. Post controller. Just send the post controller. This is my not create post. Create post. I need to send my get call post for home. get all post for home and get user post also. These things get all post for home. If I come here, post dot controller dot ts, post dot route dot ts, post dot routes, post dot route dot ts, not here, here, post dot route dot ts, post dot route dot ts, done. Then this is my like controller. Where is my like controller? Where is my like controller? Like controller, like dot controller dot ts, then comments dot controller dot ts. This is done. And also I made change in the post model, right? This is my post dot model dot ts. This is my controller comments comment dot model dot ts. Comment dot model dot ts. This is my front end code. Okay, fine. This is my front end code. So in my front end code, what are we doing? Close this. Front end src pages, feed page, feed page dot tsx, feed page, then components, feed page component, feed post, feed post dot tsx. This is done. Feed post is also done. User profile, user profile, user profile page components, page profile page dot tsx. Akashdeep, hello Akashdeep, welcome to my stream. Bhai, I am setting up a home lab to practice DevOps. Should I run the server on a virtual machine itself or inside Docker, which is on server? Please answer me according to current company practice. See, according to current industry standard, what you can do is that you should run Docker inside the server, right? Basically, in this application that I'm building, I will also dockerize my front end and back end, and then I'll also run the containers in my server. So the industry practice is that you take a virtual machine or a VPS, you take a VPS, then you dockerize your backend and front end, right? And then you deploy that backend in the server. ऋतिक गायरो भाई फूकते भी हो क्या? No ऋतिक, I don't smoke. Coders, good night. Please read my previous comment. Coders, what was your previous comment, Coders? Coders, I don't want to disturb you, but can you please explain your project? Yeah, Coders, like I explained, I think it's a social media application that I built using MongoDB and TypeScript. Basically, this application is a combination of Instagram, Twitter, and Reddit. हर्षित कश्यप, क्या आपने ये प्रोजेक्ट पूरा खुद बनाया है? हाँ हर्षित, लाइक आप मेरे डे वन की स्ट्रीम से आप चाहो तो फॉलो कर सकते हो. मैंने सारा ये पूरा खुद से ही बनाया है. एंड हर्षित, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. Calling any API, get user profile info, refetch profile, okay, and profile data, okay, fine. Get user post. This is my user profile container.tsx. The profile container is here. User post. Am I calling an API? And this is my user post.tsx. User post.tsx. as my user post. I can just uncomment all this, remove all this, remove all of this. Fine. User post dot tsx. There is a small issue that when another user likes and comments, the like and comment count does not get increased. Hold on. So if I go to login users, if I log in, this is my login. Hold on, test user 2. I log in, test user 2 has logged in. Right. And if I go to posts, all posts, user posts, test user 2. Fine. And then let's go to likes. Likes. This is my like. Post ID. Okay. Now if I log in as test user 1, test user 1, then my test user 1 has logged in and get user posts working on a MERN. Hold on, this, here we go, test user 1 has logged in. Okay, this is working on a MERN project. Working on a MERN project, okay. Working on a MERN project. Fine. Now let's like this post. What happens if I put this here? If I post this, you like this post, you unlike this post. When you like this post, you liked this post, and now if I get to get user posts, working on one project owner likes 73, like 73. Okay, like is there. Okay, now if I unlike this post and get user post, unlike this post, nothing is changing. Like count. Okay, we'll fix this. Increased and like and unlike and is having some issues. Suraj, bro, what if we can build a bot that auto responds to YouTube live chat? Yeah, that's a good idea, and we can build that. Hey, Sahil Gupta, bro, where did you learn all this and how much time it taken? I learned everything from YouTube, Sahil. Uh, I learned everything from YouTube, and it took me around, Monstack. I've been learning for last 1.5 months. Okay. I Yes, Sahil Gupta, bro, upcoming Mark Zuckerberg. Okay, thanks. I'm the champion. Hello, I'm the champion. Welcome back to my stream, brother. How are you? Code is over. But I currently have one hidden agenda bug. Okay, got it. Got it. Mm-hmm. Hold on. I like this post. This is, hold on. I think I got the issue. Fine. This is test user one. Not here. Test user one. You like this post? This post and test user one. Let's create one more post. Upload. Hello. Post this. Test user one. If I like this also. Now if I go here. refresh this. If I like this, now if I go to my profile, great day. Now if I post this, now if I come here, I come here, I liked this. Test it too. Wow, if I post this, this is on. Yeah, this is now there. If I unlike this, it should be unliked only. And if I come here, if I go here, see, is it? Okay, invalid caching. Okay, fine. Okay, caching invalid cache. It is cache.ts. I'm the champion. Hi, I'm the champion. No coders. YT channels, bro, for learning. There are lots of YT channels like Chai or Code, Piyush Garg. You can follow these channels. Okay, it's Ultron. Hello, it's Ultron. Welcome back to my stream. Hi, what are you doing today? Today, my goal is to fix the likes bug and comment bug also, and make this application responsive. UI make improvements in the UI and make the application responsive, mobile responsive. Okay. Okay, fine. Let's go. If I come here, backend. Guys, do let me know if you get any audio issues or anything. Umat Bars Surain 816. Which YouTube channels you use for learning? Chai or Code and Piyush Garg YouTube channel. Backend SRC utils. There I can create cache.ts. Util. There I hold on routes. Config Redis. Okay. Here utils I can create. Cache.ts. What the hell, man? Can you type channel names? You can search Chai or Code and YouTube, Piyush Garg YouTube channel. Just a sec, I'll show you. If you come to YouTube, there is Chai or Code. You can follow this channel, Chai or Code. I hope this helps. Anurag Singh, what's the plan for today? Anurag, my plan is to fix the like and comment bug, and make the UI a bit more better, and make this UI mobile responsive. PSPS triple 4 times 1. I botched my interview today. Fuck man, bad day. See, PSPS, I can understand that. Uh, like if just letting you guys know, like maybe you can, like try to work on your, what went wrong today, identify that, and prepare for the next round. Like, or you can start keep applying. Just understand what went wrong today, and work on it. That's it. Umut Barsurem. Thanks. Welcome, Umut Barsurem. Akashdeep. Which database you are using? Akashdeep, I'm using MongoDB. Dual manual. I have one doubt, bro. You have used rate limiter. How to check it's working or not? We did that basically here in rate middleware. If you come to my where is it app.ts, here you can see I've created a window. Like in 15 minutes we have maximum 500 requests per user, right? We can reduce this. Like when I was testing the app limit rate limiter, I made it around 30 seconds and made it for 2 requests only. So there we were getting too many requests that response, and that made that we can say that like it was working. Here you can see too many requests, we will get this response if rate limiting has reached. Okay. PSP meter. Okay, work on it then. Cache. Fine. Okay, this is my cache. There we go. So here we can do import Redis client. Where is my models app index.ts app.ts rate limiter Redis client index.ts Redis client. Hold on. I think read limiter. No. In my config Redis, I have the Redis client here. Fine. In my cache, import Redis from config dash Redis. I got this. Heth Patel. Hi, sir. Hello, Heth Patel. Welcome back to my stream. Pheronix 7 update. Pheronix, we have implemented, video feature, upload video feature also, and sockets has been done. Everything, most of the things are done. Now we are working on fixing the like and comment bug. And today's goal is to make this UI a bit more better and implement responsiveness in this application. Make this app mobile responsive. Fine. Jewel manual. Okay, bro, got it. Alright, Jewel. Heth Patel, I did complex Python questions today and I feel satisfied. That's great, Heth Patel. This satisfaction is a sign that you actually did something good. Invalidate. Export const invalidate post caches is equal to this, and this will be async. Guys, do let me know if you're getting any unnecessary background noise or if my audio is not good. Heth Patel, I made a full stack website through Lovable AI. Is getting crazy and makes software engineering unique. That is true. Async. Username, which will be a string. Try catch. Console.log cache invalidation failed, error, and there we go. Await Redis client dot del delete home posts. Then if there is a username, then await Redis client dot delete dollar username user just user posts dollar username. This is done. Then invalidate on like. Okay. Heth Patel. I made a full stack website through Love. Yeah, true. Zilan Khan. Hello, Zilan Khan. Welcome to my stream. Are you a student or working which company? Zilan Khan, I am not a student. I have completed my BTech and I'm not working anywhere right now. I'm trying to build my own startup. Heth Patel. Bhai, congrats for 1K subs in advance. Bro, अभी तक I don't think 1K हुआ है, but thank you. Thanks a lot. अभी time है 1K होने में, I think. Heth Patel. उठो फेमस होने का टाइम नज़दीक आ रहा है. Thanks, Heth Patel. Supreme DS. Hello, Supreme DS. Welcome back to my stream. Hey, bro. I started learning backend dev today. Just finished 27 videos from Chai Code. Oh, that's great. That's really great. Just be consistent and, after completing that playlist, try to build, REST APIs on your own. Heth Patel. Continue your hard work, sir. Good fortune awaits for you. Mark from me. Heth Patel. Thanks a lot, brother. Thanks a lot, man. It means a lot. Ayush Suman, sup bro? Hello Ayush Suman, welcome back to my stream, brother. Ayush, today we are working on fixing the bugs of like and comment feature, and also we'll try to make the UI a bit better, and also implement a responsiveness in this application. Username, like controller. Where is my like controller? Close this. Export. Redis app. User post. Hold on, user profile container, profile page, like controller. Wanna modify this after like and like. Final is liked. If is liked, dollar pull return. Else find update. Else find an update. Can you give me the full code? Give me the full code. Gumball. Hey bro, what's up? Hello Gumball. Welcome back to my stream, brother. How are you? Nothing Gumball. Today we are fixing the like and comment caching error. Like basically, I need to also invalidate cache when a user likes or unlikes. That thing. And second goal for today is to make the UI a bit better, and third goal is to make the application responsive, mobile responsive. Heth Patel, how much was the laptop, sir? Heth Patel, my laptop costed around 57,000 or 55, 57, something like that. Supreme DS, I actually started from JS basics from Chai Code. I am planning to complete entire playlist in 3 days, and then should I watch his backend playlist or you suggest something else? Supreme DS, after you complete JavaScript, I will suggest that you learn HTML CSS basics and then you get into React. There's a React playlist also in that YouTube channel. You can learn it from there. Deepak Kanpal, bro, आके वहाँ शादी ही लग रही क्या? आप ब्रो आके वहाँ शादी लग रही है. हाँ, मेरे नेबर में किसी की शादी हो रही है. Zilan Khan, can we contribute to this project? Zilan, this is my personal project and I'll deploy this, and if I make this open source in future, then maybe you can contribute. Gumball, which laptop do you have? Gumball, my laptop is HP laptop 15X. This is done. Like controller, add import, replace full toggle if light is light. Okay. This fine update. Liked by me is liked. Okay, so basically if it is liked there and before returning here is liked, guys, do ignore the background noise. I'm sorry, there's this wedding going on. I hope you're not getting the background noise much. Supreme DS, actually I just want to learn backend. Okay, so if your goal is just to learn backend, then after JavaScript you can start learning backend from the backend series. Heth Patel, I have Asus but still lags. Okay, I never used Asus, so I don't know about it much. Game Ball 69. Keep it up, bro. I'm learning TypeScript after watching you. Oh, that's great, Gumball. That's great. Just be consistent. Deepak Kanpal, bro, remember me? I come every day. Yes, Deepak Kanpal, I remember you, and thanks for joining the stream today again. Heth Patel, will he remember you or try to focus on his work? Just jokes, no offense. No, I remember like people, those who come to my stream every day. I remember them. Gumball 69. Okay, bro. Bye. I will come later. Yeah, sure, Gumball. I hope you enjoyed the stream. Okay, it's liked. It's liked. Then await. Invalidate post caches. Then post dot owner as any dot username. Hold on. Why am I doing all these things? Post dot owner dot should get username. Issue. Yeah. Valid. Okay. This does not exist an object ID. Hold on. Post. Post find by ID. I got the post. Yeah, I'm getting the post. So post. Hold on. Any dot username. Supreme DS. Supreme DS. You don't use monorepo. No Supreme DS for this. I'm using client server architecture, and initially they will be deployed in the same server. But once the application grows, I'll make separate servers. On Supreme DS, I never saw you using headphones. Like I stream for longer than 1 hour, right? Most of the times. So headphones, it causes a bit of irritation in my ear. So I don't use it. I use it only for my microphone. Deepak Kantpal, bro, learn Docker. It is insane, but the Docker file commands written are hard to remember. Yeah, I know. And in this application also we'll use Docker with Docker Compose. Void. See. Okay, this is done. Then comment controller. Like is done. Then we go to comments controller. Where's my comments? Controller backend src controllers comment dot controller create comment uh, create comment. Okay. Supreme DS. You tried Sonnet 4.6. Yes, in yesterday's stream we were using Sonnet 4.6. It is good. It understands the context really well. Post.save. Post. Hold on. Post. Where is it? Post.save populated post. Post. Okay. Post.save populated post. Populated post. Where is the populated post? Comment controller. Populated post. Where is it? Create comment. Find by ID. Created comment. Post dot comments dot push. है. This is my comments comment dot controller dot ts. Deepak Kanpal, bro, try Claude. It is good for development, I think. Yes, Deepak Kanpal, Claude is very good. I'm saving Claude. If something is not fixed by ChatGPT, then I go to Claude. It's like it's like my superpower. I'm saving it for the, something really complex. Here is it, populated post. Get down. Where was it? See, it is create comment only, but populate post owner only for cache invalidation. Populated comment. Caches. Hold on. What is the issue? That is done. Get comment or delete comment. Okay, here we go in my delete comment part. Deepak Kanpal, love your Chrome theme, by the way. Oh, thanks, Deepak. It's basically space. Okay. Deepak Kanpal, yeah, yes, sure, because it is limited in a day. Yes, Deepak, that is the thing. Guys, like today I was thinking about installing Cloud Code, but it requires a subscription of $20 a month, so I did not install it. Later on when I start getting some revenue, then I'll install Cloud Code. Like never given. Same thing. Stop. Update. Delete comment. Yes, delete comment. Delete comment. Comment post dot find by ID and update. Then here we'll do this. Deepak Kanpal, bro, why don't you use ChatGPT desktop? Like I never thought of installing it. Why to make unnecessary effort if everything can be done in browser? Like I'm very lazy. And guys, do let me know like if you're getting any background noise or my audio is audible or not. Just give me a confirmation. Fine, this is done. Hold on, yeah, okay. Where is it? Yeah, there we go. There we go. There we go. This is done. Fix create post. Inside your create post, you already have it. Update post content. Give me the full code. शिवम शर्मा, एयर नॉइज आ रही है। ओके, लेट्स। अभी आ रही है क्या? दीपक कंपाल, प्लीज यूज थीम इन VS Code also, otherwise daily it feels boring. Chai theme is good. Let's try. Okay. I have some themes. Let's see. Themes. Here we go. Color theme. Do let me know which one. Dark. Dracula theme. Dracula theme soft. Kimby. Monokai. Monokai looks nice. Pale night. Red. Solar eyes. Tomorrow night. VS Code. Which one? Chai theme. Okay. Dark high. Let's try chai theme. Browse additional color theme. Chai. Okay, what is the name? Bro, Night Owl. It's goof. Okay. Night Owl. This one. This, okay. Let's see. Okay, yeah, this looks nice. Night Owl. Yeah, this looks cool. But does it look nice for the eyes? Let's do this for a moment. Moment controller.ts file done. Running correct cache architecture. I meant give me the entire full code. Entire full code. Vesper try or chai theme. Okay, let's try Vesper. Let's see Vesper. Where is theme? Themes. Color theme. Vesper. Vesper VE. Oh, Vesper VES. Okay, this one. This one. This one. This one. This one. Vesper Golden. Not here. I hate light. I cannot accept light. Okay. Let's go for chai. Where is the chai theme? Okay, light chai theme. Not light. Dark chai theme. Okay. This one. Babu Rao Mastani. Why don't you use anti-gravity? It's great to need to switch to browser then. Okay. Babu Rao Mastani. Free clouds on it. It provides. Okay. Hitesh sir. Okay. Done. I think, yeah, this looks nice. Alright. Let's go with this then. Fine. This is done. I mean about the like and comment issue. Or remove like comment issue in a feed post. What the hell is wrong, man? Like every damn time this loses context like anything. Seriously. Okay, remove this and go up. Aman Kohli 69, good night. Aman Kohli, welcome back to my stream, brother. How are you? Jatin Narya, hi Sarji. Hello Jatin, welcome to my hello Jatin. Yes, hello Jatin, welcome to my stream. Deepak Kanpal, it has colors in the code syntax also good. Okay. Rakhub, Rakhu Bhai. Hello Rakhu Bhai, welcome to my stream. Bro, why you choose MERN for this project? Because, like I wanted to learn MERN stack and my goal is to build my own startup or to target startups for job. So that's why, MERN stack is used widely in startups. That's why. Deepak Kanpal, or you can use new one. It's good. Okay. I think this themes is fine only, but let's focus on the main thing. PS, PS. Will you say knowing development and clearing interviews are two different things? Yes, these are two different things, but these are related to each other. Like not totally separate. Obviously, you cannot clear interview if you don't know how to develop. If you don't know development, like if you're targeting development role, then you should know development only. Then you can clear interview. Get post. Okay, not here, not here. Second this feed post site like this effect. Post. Where is my feed post? Close this. Close this. Any issues here? Yeah, I'm not liking this theme. Like it is distracting me. Color theme. Which one? I was liking watch. Yeah, this theme was good for me. It was distracting me. That theme was distracting me. Okay. User profile container. Where was it? Feed post. Front end. SRC. Components. Feed page component. Feed post. Feed post. Settings. Inside feed post. Yes. Feed with. Where is it? Debug feed page. And pages. Feed page. Feed page. This is my feed page. Feed post. This is my feed post.tsx. This is my feed page.tsx. This is the backend code. Okay. Comment controller. Comment.controller.ts. Then like.controller.ts. Okay. Rakhu bhai, bro, do you have any other project in other tech stack? Yes, I have built, uh, like not deployed, like those are for freelancing jobs that I did. Okay, root cause, including fields. Now I can see similar code is honest 90%, but this is not I see a small mismatch up there. Backend like controller, like controller fixed version. It's only toggle like logic. Sync when post changes. What is this? Okay, now let's see if something changes. This is my test user 1, this is my test user 2. This is test user 2 will like this, liked. I came here, someone liked the post. Okay, now if I refresh this, yeah, it changed. Now if I come here, yeah, it is changing. If I like this, if I come here, it is changing. Now if I comment here, nice, post it, it changed. Now if I come here, I preload this, it changed. And if I click on this, yeah, okay, fixed this, fine, this is fine. And if I go to this user's profile, okay, great, nice work, great day. Okay, if I come here, great day. Now if I come here, great day. If I refresh this, great day. Okay, fine. Ah, this is fine. Okay, this is done, this is done, this is done. Close this, close this. Okay, invalidate hashing. This is done. Close this, close this, close this, close this, close this. This is done. Okay. Rakul Bhai, okay, Rakul Bhai, you said you have experience in Spring Boot framework. Now that's your opinion. How is that your opinion? Okay, Rakul Bhai, you said you have experience in Spring Boot framework. How is that your opinion? Rakul Bhai, yes, like when I was doing my job, I was working with Spring Boot. In my job part, I was working with Spring Boot, and in my freelancing, I work with Django also. So that's the thing. Akash Deep, good night, bro. Good night, Akash, and thanks for joining the stream. Okay, so this is done. Let's just make a commit here now. What commit message? Seeing validation for commit. Push this. Okay. Now if I this post, now if I get user post, it should not be here. If I like this post, and if I get this post likes, should not be here. Okay. From cache. Hold on. Let's see. I'll come here. Intent src backend src controllers post controller. This is my post controller. My post controller. This, just copy this line. This line is fine. Post controller. And where's my like controller? Like controller. This is my comment controller. My comment controller. So if when someone create comment is okay. Create a comment again. Let's work with like. Remove this. First remove comment this and add this redis client, import redis client, import, remove this, and here get this redis client. Why am I not getting the suggestions? Get the redis client, and name user post.owner.username, post.owner.username, Rohib Hussain. Hi Abhishek Sharma, nice to meet you again. Hello Rohib, welcome back to my stream, brother. How are you? Rakhu Bhai, bro, your GitHub ID. Yeah, this is my GitHub ID. This one, Abhishek10600. This is my GitHub profile. And you can also get the link of this, my GitHub profile in the description of this stream. Where was it? Where was I? Here. Rahul Purohit. Bro, hello Rahul Purohit, welcome to my stream. Bro, I had completed my BTech in 2024 and unemployed since then. In between, I had done Salesforce development, including internship. Now back to software dev and building a similar project like yours. Oh, that's great. See, Rahul, the thing is that you have to be very good in this tech stack. Whatever tech stack you are learning, be very good in it and understand the programming language really well and build full stack projects and understand the flow of the application. That is very important. Will Getu. Hello, Will Getu. Welcome to my stream. How are you? Roheb Hussain, I have started 100 days of Python code with Harry playlist. Is that much Python enough for backend development? Yes, Roheb, that is more than enough. That's a very good playlist. Kushagra, what is Krishna Dasarwad? Hello, Krishna Dasarwad. Welcome to my stream. How are you, brother? Let's do one thing. We can make this like this. Post dot owner as any. Then this is fine. Okay, then this is fine. Let's copy this here. Else here we can comment this. We can add this. Fine, it is don't tell. Someone liked your post. You like this post. Okay, this is done. Okay, now if I come here, Rahul Purohit. I still get confused about which tech stack to choose, Java versus JavaScript. I had already made two full stack projects, YouTube and MP3 player in Java during my engineering, and now social media project in JavaScript. Okay. Rahul, I think, see, everybody has different, like, not all the fingers in your hand have the same size, right? Some are small, some are long. So, you need, I think, in my opinion, you need a specialized roadmap, you need a guidance. Like, if you're interested, you can join my mentorship. Like, it's paid obviously because I want people who are serious about it. And if you're interested, you can join that. If you want that, you can DM me in Instagram, and like you can get on a call with me for 1 hour, and I can guide you how to proceed with that. Rahul Purohit, and bro, I'm not coming here for the first time. Okay, Rahul, understand that. So I think you need a special dedicated time. You can DM me on Instagram, and we can hop on a call and I can guide you. Rohib Hussain, bro, still confused if I don't do front end, which I don't like. Will there be any opportunities in back end for the fresher or in freelancing? See, in freelancing, nobody hire, like very less people hire just back end developer. Everybody, most of the people look for freelance full stack developer. So I will suggest that you should learn full stack, or you should get at least basic understanding of front end. Will get you. Okay, will get you, bro. I'm really guilt if you help me. I'm in 12 and I want to start coding. School में बस time Python सिखाया है. How do I start? I want to learn machine learning and AI stuff. See, you can learn everything on YouTube. See, you already know Python, or if you want to learn Python, you can search on YouTube how to learn Python. And then there's this YouTube channel for AI/ML called Campus X. That is a very good YouTube channel for learning machine learning or deep learning. You can check out that YouTube channel. Just a sec, is my stream health fine? Hold on, stream health. Yeah, stream is healthy. Roheb Hussain, Django plus React stack will be good rather than MERN. See, it all depends on your need. Like if you are good in Python and if you understand Python and you want to build an application that is AI, like has machine learning model and everything, and if you want something if you want your backend in Python, then go for Django. Would be good rather than MERN. See, actually, tech stack, it depends on when you're starting out, what you are comfortable in. Subodh, hello, bro. Hello, Subodh. Welcome to my stream. How are you, brother? Test user one. Hold on. If I come here, now if I come here, dislikes, like the post, like this post, get user post, catch. Is cache not getting enabled, disabled? Hold on. Hold on. Like and like controller, you like this post, then comment controller, then remove this, you can come here, user posts, like controller, it is here also, you can do this home posts, here also you can do this post, I know, populated post, populated post.owner, and this Redis client can be from imported. Ruheb Hussain, I'm happy with Python and CPP to be honest. Oh, that's great. Then if you're happy with Python, then you can learn Django. There's nothing wrong in that. We'll get you. Thank you very much. And can you suggest me a laptop for the above work that I said? What is your budget? If you can tell me your budget, then I can suggest you a laptop. Redis client, like controller, Redis client, comment controller. If I come here, what is the issue? Client. The hell is this, man? Why is it so slow? Like controller. Gitanjali Keher. Hello Gitanjali, welcome to my stream. I am from BCA of the second year. So give some suggestion. It's my starting. See Gitanjali, like I will suggest you that you learn one programming language. You can start with JavaScript or Python. Choose one and learn it properly. And if you learn JavaScript, then I will suggest you that after you learn JavaScript, understand HTML, CSS, then learn React.js, then you build front end projects, then you can start learning backend with Express and Node. That should be your goal. राजा भाई कहाँ से सीखा भाई कहाँ से सीखियो वेब डेव राजा like welcome to my stream. I have learned everything from YouTube. Will get you. I really don't have any idea like how much should I spend. If you can give me rough idea. See, we'll get you get at least 8 GB of RAM laptop. 8 GB of RAM is minimum. But if you are into machine learning, then I will suggest that you go for 16 GB. You can go for the laptop that I purchased. That was around 57,000 at the time I purchased it. It is HP laptop 15X. You can check that. Comment controller. This is done. Same thing. Invalidate cache. This thing and this will be here. राजा कोई सा कोर्स सजेस्ट कर दो यार, सिग्मा वेब डेव कोड वर्क हैरी से कर लो. Yeah, you can do that. That is nice. I think I did not follow that. There's this YouTube channel called Chai or Code YouTube channel. You can learn backend from there. That is good. Okay, so long test is one. Get user post. Why will that like it's only post? Test user two. Test user post. This is my working on one project. Like 7373. Then she should be invalid. Hold on, if I come here. Deepak Kanpal, bro, solved the problem or not? I came after 20 minutes. Yes, Kanpal, basically, problem has been solved. This thing has been solved. For example, if I come here, new incognito window, localhost 5173, test user 2, test user 2. If I come here, this is my test user 2. Right, this is my test user 2 and this is my test user 1. So if I come here, if test user 1 likes, you know, then if I come here and if I refresh this, see the count is getting updated. So yeah, this issue is solved. Now I'm trying that when I like here, then only the latest post should be fetched. But I'm thinking, should I do this or not? Because it can get very heavy for my backend, because my caching is getting invalidated after a few minutes. Because if I come to my config redis here, my redis, and this is my redis, right? There we go, post controller. If I come here, cache data, create post. If I come here, create content, create post, and get post. Get user user post, user. Okay, hold on. I think I got the issue here. If I come here, where is it? Where is it? User post dash username, home post, user post, user post. What happened? Okay, I'm doing the same thing only. Fine. Then I get all post for home cache data. Getting the cache data, cache key, home post. Okay. Uh, all start mile. Hello, all start mile. Welcome to my stream. I have created game by vibe coding. Oh, that's great, राजा. नहीं भाई, पहले फ्रंट एंड के लिए बता दो कहाँ से करूँ और कौन सी लैंग्वेज से स्टार्ट करूँ फ्रंट एंड में भाई, एक बार बता दो रोड मैप प्लीज़. राजा, you can start learning JavaScript, learn JavaScript properly. Then you can go to Char Code YouTube channel. There you will find HTML, basic HTML CSS playlist. You can find it there, and you will also find the React playlist. For now, just do this much. After you do this, then then you can come back and tell me again what you did, and I'll tell you what you need to do next. All start mile 9775. Wanna check? All start mile. Yeah, sure. Let me know. We'll get you. Thank you very much. I have a last question. If I do BSc rather than BTech from private, will I be able to get a job? See, we'll get you. The only difference, in my opinion, between BTech and BCA is that, see, in BTech, even in private, even in tier three colleges, some companies come to your college to get, to give job. But in BCA, you have to go to the company, right? You have to approach the company and you have to be very skilled. See, even in BTech and BCA, both have to, be very skilled to get a job. But BTech has one small advantage, that companies come to you. That is the only difference. Gitanjali Kahar, how much languages do you know? Gitanjali, I know JavaScript, Python, and Java. Deepak Kantpal, bro, use VS Code Dark. New one is good. Okay, I'll check that. Hold on. All start. Wanna check my game? Sure. All start mile. Do let. You can DM me the link in Instagram. I'll check it after this show. So this is done. All right. So this is only issue is let's do one thing. Close this. If I come here, see this is my update. Okay, Gemini 3.1 is here. Let's see. Gemini 3.1. Google DeepMind. Model guard, okay, model Gemini 3 Pro series also okay, model dependencies, 3 input text strings, mm-hmm. Architecture, okay, trading data processing, software, okay, hey studio, Gemini notebook, okay, fine, I got it. Where was I? I was in chat GPT. This is my chat GPT. राजा भाई पहले डीएसए सीखूं या डेव एक बार ये और बता दो सी राजा फर्स्ट योर फर्स्ट goal is to learn JavaScript, right? Then after you learn JavaScript you can learn DSA and web dev simultaneously. You can divide your entire day into, for example, in morning for 1 or 2 hours you can do DSA. You can try to solve 1 or 2 questions every single day. Then after that you can spend the rest of the day learning web dev. That's how you should approach it, because if you sit and think that I'll do first DSA first then I'll start web dev, it will take a lot of time. This is my code. This is my code. Backend. This is my post controller. Post dot controller dot yes. I just put two things. Create post controller. Get on post for home. Get on post for home. And user post controller. User post controller. User post controller. This is my uh, like dot controller dot ts. Like dot controller dot ts. Like dot controller dot ts. And this is comment dot controller dot ts. Comment dot controller dot ts. Comment dot controller dot ts. Basically create comment. This is my delete command. This is my yes. Now when I like or like like comment post get user post and get all post still shows post from cache. Okay. राजा भाई कॉलेज भी जाता हूँ इतना टाइम नहीं मिल पाता दोनों के लिए सी राजा just even if you give 1 hour for DSA that is fine, but do it for every single day, and then the rest of the time even if you give 2 or 3 hours for web dev that is fine. I have sent you, you can check. Okay, I'll check it. I'll check the DM. Your logic almost, but you have one critical cache invalidation bug that is called Redis to still return the cache. Redis key means okay. Root cause using cache user username inside get user post But while liking a user post name, not power so mhm. Simple post. Okay, got it. My like controller post find by id dot populate owner comma username. I got this. Then now this works. Okay, post dot owner. If I remove this, what will happen? Let's copy this. Just paste it, uncomment it, and let's just make this post dot owner dot username. What will happen if I do this? Okay, nothing happened. Fine. Okay. Okay, fine. Remove this and make this. Fine. This is it. This is it. This is it. Now this works. This works. No cache. Mm, this is done. This is done. Okay. And in comment also, I'll get the post. Where's the post? ID dot populate username populate by owner username owner comma username. Hold on. Populate owner comma username owner comma username. There we go. I got the post here. Comment is post owner. Fine. Populate post dot owner. Okay. Username delete post. Delete post and create post. Create post. Create post. Post. Populate post. Post. Populate owner. Fine. Now if I come here, this is it. Now if I come here, this is it. If I go here, I like it. And if I come here, same thing is happening. Why is it not done? Hold on. Login 73 test user 1. Get user posts, likes. And if I unlike the post, and if I now get the likes, yeah, this is working now. Likes, okay. First from cache, okay. Fine, now this is working. Okay, now this is working, cool. Now caching is implemented. Okay, this is done. Okay, this is done. Now let's make the UI a bit more better. Now what else can I do? Here, test user 1, like for test user 2. If I come here, and now if I remove this, it should come here as test user 1. Okay, fine. This is fine. Now let's close this and close this. Hold on. Now if I come here, incognito, localhost, user 2, test user 2, login here. This is my test user 2 and this is my test user 1, and like this. And if I come here and reload this, I unliked it. Now if I come here, you like it. Now if I come here, you like this post. Okay, now what is the issue here, man? This is it. Fine, let's close this, close this, close this, close this. Come here, close this. Whew, lots of bugs, man. This is happening now, and unlike is happening. Now this is my SRC controllers. SRC controllers. If I come here, chat GPT, chat. Let's go to Claude. No, no. Let's go chat GPT only. This is my code. This is my code. Like controller. Like dot controller dot ts. Comment dot controller dot ts. This is my not here. Index dot ts. User dot model dot ts. Models user dot model dot ts. My post dot model dot ts. स्टोरीड जोकर कितने बजे तक करोगे प्रोग्राम ब्रो? आई हैव नो आइडिया ब्रदर. लाइक जब तक नींद नहीं आए तब तक करते रहूँगा स्टोरीड जोकर. एंड थैंक्स फॉर जॉइनिंग दिस स्ट्रीम स्टोरीड जोकर. All start mile check, bro. I'll check this after the stream, brother. Right now I'm working on a bug. Okay. Scheme post.model, then post.model message. This is done. This is done. What is done? This is done. SRC. This is ESX. Front end code. Then after my you should copy paste the file to ChatGPT, not whole code. You'll give better answer. Actually, not the see. I'm not getting. I don't want GPT to tell me everything. I just wanted to debug it. Sending files will actually take more tokens also, and then This free version will get exhausted. See feed page.tsx and feed page, and there we go. That we get the posts feed posts.tsx and ape. Then this will be my like dot api dot ts dot api dot ts feed dot api dot ts. When a user likes slash unlikes notificate the other user does not get the notification. Aman Maurya 104. Hi brother. Hello Aman Maurya. Welcome to my stream. Push Push Karawasti. Hello Push Karawasti. Welcome to my stream. भाई कहाँ तक ऐप बना है दिखा. All of the things are done, like uploading images, like unlike comments, then uploading videos is also implemented. Then profile, you can change the profile picture, you can change your bio, then you can upload posts, you can upload video, then you can edit your post, you can delete the post, then you can add this formatting, text formatting also, then you can chat with the users, real time WebSockets have been implemented. So these things are done. Almost the application is complete. Aman Maurya, can I collaborate with you? Aman, like right now I'm working on this project. Once I deploy this, so maybe in future I'll make this a open source project, then you can contribute on this project, I think. And guys, just a reminder, if you enjoy this stream, do consider subscribing. All right, root cause, very important. This line is the main cause to string element post light. You assume room name is your user ID, but the socket only joins the room if handshake query or which is set. Your front-end sends change this in like socket can the page without the release condition queue events fixed. Socket, socket. Where is this connect socket? It is here. Fine, okay. Port mismatch. Give me the full code. Push, push. करावस्ती, हेलो पुश करावस्ती। नाइस, आई वाइब कोडिंग। नाइस, वाइब कोडिंग नहीं कर रहा मैं। वाइब कोडिंग इस एप्लीकेशन में नहीं कर रहा हूँ। आई वॉन्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड द कोड बिकॉज माई गोल इज टू बिल्ड माई ओन SaaS एंड स्टार्टअप, सो दैट्स आई एम नॉट वाइब कोडिंग इट। Shubhadeep, hello Shubhadeep, welcome to my stream. Aman Maurya, brother, can you just review it? Yeah, you can. Website created by me. Yeah, you can drop the link in my Instagram. I'll review it after this stream. Pushkar Vasti. Pushkar Vasti. Device specs. My device is 16 GB RAM, Core i5. Moose Vibe official. Moose Vibe official. Bro, do shorts live. You will get more views. Bro, see, I'm not so concerned about the views. My goal is to build my own SaaS. I'm just live streaming it because like if I'm doing it, just if people are interested, they will see. Not so much interested in getting views is not my major goal. पीयूष मीना, भाई आप दिन में क्या करते हो? पीयूष मीना, मैं दिन में अपने खुद के प्रोजेक्ट्स पे काम करता हूँ या फ्रीलांसिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स अगर मिले तो उस पे काम करता हूँ। एंड नॉट यस विद दिस। Push Karavasti, are you in college? No, Push Karavasti, I've completed my BTech. Moose Vibe official. Thanks. Yeah, thumbs up. Thanks, brother, for the thumbs up. Shubhadeep, bro, did you left the job? Shubhadeep, yeah, I don't work now. I just, I'm trying to build my own startup. Aman Maurya, bro, how to get freelance projects? Aman Maurya, the best way to get freelance projects is to just tell your friends, your relatives, people around you that you can build products for them, you can build projects for them. Just tell them because Fiverr and Upwork did not work for me much. पीयूष मीना, आपका स्क्रीन टाइम कितना हो जाता है? आई हैव नो आइडिया पीयूष मीना. Pushkar Avasti, I do have MacBook M4 base variant, but it chokes on 180 stream. Any idea to improve it? Uh, Maybe you can try to reduce the bitrate. Mr. Shatranj, is my stream lagging, guys? Do let me know if my stream is lagging or like if my stream is lagging or like there are audio issues or anything. Do let me know. Mr. Shatranj. Hello, Mr. Shatranj. Welcome to my stream. Hi, bro. What's the best way to learn coding? Like watching courses or straight away starting with projects? What do you please tell me by step? Mr. Shatranj, the first step is to, whenever you are learning a programming language or you are watching some tutorial, code along with it. That is the first step. Then after watching the videos, try to code on your own. That is the best way. Push Karavasti subscribed when I heard I want to start startup. Oh, thanks Push Karavasti. Push Karavasti. Nah, your stream looks good. Thanks Push Karavasti. Thanks for the update. Ankit Vishwakarma. Hello भाई, मुझे Python पढ़ना है. Ankit Vishwakarma, that's good. You can learn Python. There are lots of resources online. Okay, now let's see. It is pub subscaling, multi-source objects offline, modification persistent, DB, and batch counter. Let's see. Hold on, let me test you two. This is my test user 2, this is my test user 1. If I come here and say hi, any updates there? Yeah, this is okay. How are you? Okay, so let's implement it. First, I'll go to my push. Call me push, bro. You ain't gonna see me for last time though, tonight. Okay, yeah, push. Thanks, push. I'll call you push only. And thanks for joining the stream. I hope you're enjoying it. Lakshman Sharma. Hello, Lakshman. Welcome to my stream. So I have solved questions and practice, and I have learned framework also. But when I try to code build system, I can't. Why, bro? See, Lakshman, that is a very common thing that many beginners go through. Like when you watch tutorials, it is very easy to build, but when you don't watch tutorial and try to build it on your own, you get stuck. It is because first thing is that you have to get very good hold of the programming language, and even when you watch the tutorial, code along with the tutorial, but also understand the flow, how your application flow works. If you understand that, then you can implement it. And don't try to build complex application in the beginning. Try to build small application, like small to do apps, small blog application, something like that. Ayush Khandelwal. Hello Ayush, welcome to my stream. Bro, I'm confused which programming language is best for future. I will suggest anything, choose anything between JavaScript and Python. Push. I bought Codex today just to give a shot on vibe coding. Let's see. How do let me know. Is it worth it? And how much does it cost per month? Do let me know, Push. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, okay, from the full code. First is to go to my index.ts. Backend src index.ts. And this is my start server. Cool. And this is my socket. Fine. This is my socket. And what am I doing? Console.log user and socket ID. Done. Const user ID handshake. Query user ID string. Fine. If there is a user ID, the socket user socket.join. Let's make the console a bit better. User dollar user ID paste it here. Fine. Let's have a join conversation. ID is a string and the types is a string. Okay. Push. I bought Codex. Okay. Deepak Kanpal. What is the next postman? What is next to postman in your doc? This one is Excalidraw. Like I try to build my database structure or try to understand the flow or wireframe. I use this to build the wireframes. Fine. This socket rooms. Where is it? Yeah, socket rooms. I did this. Then socket on join conversation ID string. Then join socket or join conversation ID user join. Okay, fine. This is also cool. Okay, then disconnect. On disconnect, leave conversation is there. Join conversation is there. Same thing. And disconnect. Disconnect socket.id. Start server. Start server. Server dot listen. Okay, this is working. Okay, then in my like controllers, in my like dot controller dot ts, in my like dot controller dot ts, toggle post like final replace only the like unlike logic. Find the section and replace it fully. Okay, okay, is liked. Fine, is liked. Is liked. Const owner id is liked. Okay, is liked. Okay, just above that. Const owner id equals type of post dot owner equals object. If it is true, post dot owner as any dot underscore id dot toString, making it a string, or else post dot owner dot to string. This is done. Then is liked, const is liked is equal to, if is liked to string, what is this? Okay, push. Well, what are functional requirements for this project yet to finish? See, the functional requirements are pretty simple: upload post, delete post, update post. That is the main thing. Then user login register, then conversation, like create a conversation, then send messages, send media in the messages, then delete. And for notifications, simple, connect the socket, make a user. Whenever a user logs in, first thing is that the user should get connected to the socket. That's it. Okay, post dot owner. Oh, where is it? Post dot owner to string. Okay, fine. If is liked is true, only find by id and update. Post id dollar pull likes user id, done. Then now we redisclaim home post, same thing, done. Then return res, you don't like the post. Then else, add to set likes user id, done. Okay, home post, then user post. Oh, this is also done. Then socket notification fix. If owner id, if owner id is not equal to user id dot to string, then io dot to post dot, then okay, dot emit. Before this I can just do this: user dollar owner id dot emit post liked. User id liked by user id, so I will like the post. Then this console.log, let's put this. Sachin, hi Sachin, welcome back to my stream. Push, looks like a done project. When are you start working on SaaS? Push, like I will be working on the SaaS after few days. See, there are some big bugs that I need to fix in this application. Then my goal is to, this will be my side project, like I will deploy it so that real world people can use it. So there are some things that I need to dockerize it. I need to get a VPS. Then I need to deploy this, and I'll also get a domain for this. ओके सचिन ब्रो, आप जो प्रोजेक्ट बना रहे हो या बहुत एडवांस लेवल का प्रोजेक्ट है ना, फॉर क्रैकिंग गुड प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड कंपनी है ना, फॉर क्रैकिंग गुड प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड कंपनी, या सचिन दिस प्रोजेक्ट इज़ वेरी advanced, I will agree. And see, I did not make this project to crack a product based company, because that is not my goal. My goal is to build my own startup. And before I start building my startup with, I will be using AI tools for that, to increase the productivity. But I need to reach a level where I can understand the code also, right? So that's why I'm building this project. Push, how long you stream? Usually I stream, it depends, like usually I stream by what, 12:30, 1:30 max. It depends, like if the bugs gets fixed quickly, then it's a quick stream. If not, then it can take time. This is done, fine. But here I'm getting an issue in like dot controller dot ts. I got this. I got this error. What is the error? Post. Push. What VPS you looking into? Cause I need one too. Hostinger plans are good one. Good on pricing though. I have worked with DigitalOcean, so I'm familiar with DigitalOcean. I will be using DigitalOcean, but like I will containerize the front end and back end, and I deploy my containers in the VPS. So yeah, we will be using Docker also for this. Good. This is a TypeScript narrowing problem, not a runtime problem. You are getting prone to string because TypeScript cannot infer post or not auto populate. How post becomes okay. But your schema type okay. Never. Why this happens? Your schema owner type okay. The TypeScript thinks object but runtime. Okay, so this code does not help TypeScript narrow. A correct fix professional way. You must segment type the populated owner. Step one: add proper populated typing. Replace this line with this. Okay. Step 2, simplify owner ID extraction with this. Alright, basically here where I get the post, this one I should tell this is the thing for populate type, and then here simplify owner extraction. Instead of this owner ID, do post dot owner dot underscore ID dot new string. Okay, find the working schema. Post, okay, this works, okay, fine. Once we have a hidden bug here, cause this assigned field now replace this with this where is liked, where is liked. Am I doing that here? Yes, okay, let's forget now. Okay, move forward. Red Bull, what type of social media it is? Red Bull, this is a social media like it is a mixture of Instagram, Reddit, and Twitter. That is what I'm trying to build. Biryan, what's up? Hello, Biryan. Welcome back to my stream, brother. How are you? Shweta, NK2L. Hello, Shweta. Welcome to my stream. I haven't studied TypeScript. Can I continue? Yeah, if you know JavaScript, you will understand the code. And learning TypeScript is very easy. You can learn type if you know JavaScript, you can learn TypeScript in one day. Red Bull, what type of social? I answered that. Push, why don't you use vibe to text instead of writing prompts? Trust me, it's way better. Okay, I'll give it a shot. Shweta, use cursor in VS Code. See, Shweta, my goal is to to build a SaaS, and with this project, my goal is to understand the coding and understand code and understand the flow with MERN stack. That's why I'm trying not to use any AI IDs. But in my future, like when I start building my SaaS, I'll be using AI IDs then. This is done. This is here. So what I did here, this is my like controller. This is my comment controller. Comment controller. Remove this line, create comment. Remove or replace the limit section with create comment. This. Okay. Hold on. Okay, got it. Fine. Comment, create comment, create comment, create comment. Post owner, okay, hold on. Post owner ID io.2 const owner ID equals populated post. Post, where is my post? Post, find my ID. I think the same thing should be done here also in my controller. Here I can do with populated post. Hold on, post, like controller, post, find by ID. Can you give me give me the full code for comment dot controller dot ts? Post ID, post, okay, here we go. Comment, this owner ID. Okay, so here is it? Find ID post and populate part. I'll just copy this. This is my owner ID post. Post this, I did this. There's no post, then create comment. Hold on, mongoose, import mongoose from mongoose, import mongoose from mongoose. This is done. Then if there is no post, Pushkar, how are you scaling Tudor? Basically, I built Tudor. I wanted to understand Pawn Stack, Postgres, Express, React Node. Instead of MongoDB, I've used Postgres there. So to understand how Postgres works with Express, I built that application Tudor. Post.comment. Save. Populate. Validation is okay. Is equal to post dot owner dot underscore id dot to string. This is owner id. Fine. Instead of this, I can do owner id. Owner id is not equal to user dot id dot to string. Hold on, yeah, this is done. Then user, I can remove this, and here I can do user. This will be owner id. Push. As far as I know, Mongo is better scalable stack than Postgres. Wanna know reason behind building scalable Tudor and how it scales? I'll run it local tomorrow. Okay, yeah. See, yeah, it is true. MongoDB is very good if you are going for horizontal scaling. But as a full stack developer, it's our responsibility to understand vertical scaling and full and horizontal scaling. In many in startups, people also want vertical scaling before they go for horizontal scaling. So it depends on the need. So I want to be prepared for all those needs if I want to go for Postgres or if I want to go to MongoDB. So it's better to understand both the things so that you can make a better choice. Push. I'll run it in local tomorrow. All right, coach. Push. You can pull it and then you can follow the steps. Like, I think it's simple. Just go to our npm inside backend and front end. Go do an npm install. Owner id user not do a post commented. Post id commented by, okay, this is done. Fine, this is done. Emitted. Okay, then I'll just put this console.log here. done. Get comments by ID, no changes here. And delete comment. This is my post ID. Delete comment. This is done. You are ready. Fine. Post. Populate. Just copy this part because we are doing types also. Post here. Same thing. Just we are putting the types. Me Shubh, hello me Shubh, welcome to my stream. And I also a little bit of HTML, just a little website and making web pages, adding link and stuff. So I just wanted to know, have you completed a college? Misha, yes, I have completed my BTech. Dual manual, bro. Why to use CI/CD, bro? See, basically, CI/CD is a very integral part of DevOps. It stands for continuous integration and continuous development. So, when we deploy our code, there are lots of manual steps. Like first, in the server will pull the code from our GitHub repository. Then we install our required packages. So there are so to make the deployment easier, what we do first step is to dockerize the containers, dockerize your front end, dockerize your back end, right? Then you can use GitHub Actions or Jenkins for that. For GitHub Actions, you have to write a script. Then for the first time, you have to pull the code in your repository, like from a repository to the server. And after that, once that step is done, what next you can do, whenever you make any changes in your front end or in your back end code, it will be automatically deployed. You don't have to do anything, you know. So that is what CIDCD stands for, Misha. And if I want to start a little bit early, from where should I start? From HTML itself and Java or other? HTML. So next step should be you can start learning JavaScript. This is done. Username. If there's no post, post. No post. Comment. Find by ID comment. If there's no comment, is post owner. Is post owner equals post. Jesus. Post dot owner dot underscore ID dot to string equals user ID dot to string. Owner dot underscore ID. Yep. Okay. Push vertical scaling via Postgres. We just got a increased vCPUs and RAM for vertical scaling. Also, what extra you did on Postgres for scaling purpose of, or you just use PG for DB purpose? A push for this tutor application. I just use it for DB purpose. Mishub, which laptop you are using right now? That you bought for yourself money by yourself? Yes, Mishub, I bought this laptop with my own money. This is HP laptop 15X. Push horizontal scaling in Postgres is trickier. Sharding comes into play here. Yes, that is true. Sharding comes into, that is why like Postgres is mainly used for if your main goal is for vertical scaling, but for horizontal scaling we go for Mongo in most cases. Oh god, doing this, then return res, comment deleted. Fine. This fix. This is done. Hold on, this is done. This is done. Okay, then after that, what I need to do? This is done. This is done. Hold on, where is it? Socket.ts. Frontend socket.ts. Close this. Am I getting error? Any error? No error right now. Close this. Now if I come to my, where is it? Socket.ts. Socket.ts. Frontend src socket.ts. If I come here and socket is null. This is done. Socket user ID socket 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 dot socket dot connected. Then I'm returning socket. This is fine. Query user ID. This is fine. Then transports WebSocket. Hold on, user ID. After this, transports WebSocket. Socket. Socket. Then disconnected. Disconnect socket. Socket is equals null. Then measure backend port. App.tsx. This is my app.tsx. This is my app.tsx. Joga Bonito. Hello. Hello, Joga Bonito. Welcome back to my stream, brother. How are you? Pushkar. So, how are you scaling Tudor? I wonder, bro. I just made it to for my own understanding how to work with Prisma and Postgres with my Express and Node. That's it. Shit Kashyap. Music player using Django is a good project or bad? It's a good project. Actually, fun fact Spotify uses Django in backend. So, you can build something like that. Joga Bonito. Is it production ready? Joga Bonito, yes, today I think it is production ready, but there are some bug fixes that I'm doing right now. Madara Uchila. Hello, Madara. Welcome to my stream. Hey, currently in college, second year. Know the fundamentals of React. What are the things I should do next for an internship in 4 to 5 months? And if possible, suggest some projects. Next you can do is that learn JavaScript, like learn it properly, then learn HTML, CSS, then learn front end. That is your first step. Then second step is start learning backend with Express, Node, MongoDB. Then build projects, full stack projects. Like you can start for initially build small projects like to do applications, blog application. Then you can build something like e-commerce application with AI integration. Push. That solves my doubt now. Okay. App.tsx. Push. Bro, you are mispronouncing the greatest villain in anime history. Madara. Bro, like tell me the pronunciation first. Like I don't know. TSX. Here. Post light data. Post comment. Success. Disconnect. Off. Okay. This. Now let's see. Is anything? Is everything fine or not? User logged successfully. And here also let's log out user. So here it will be test user one. Test user one. Right, and here it will be test user 2, test user 2, login here. Sonic Gaming. Hey bro, I'm back to your stream and I see your subscribers are more than yesterday. Oh, thanks Sonic Gaming and thanks for joining back. Yeah, so like people I'm finding right amount of audience like people who are interested in this. Push YouTube, the host of Uchiha. Uchiha. Okay. Joga Bonita. It's Madara Uchiha. Okay, got it. Pushkar Avasti. Yo, okay, Joga Bonito. What the hell? It's not gonna work. I'm just typing. Madara Uchiha. This is my test user 2. This is my test user 1. Alright. So let's just also refresh. It's all 111. Now if I come here, now let's post here. Why is this happening here? Where is it? Notifications received. Dual manual, bro. If I want to explore scalable production grade project, will I be able to do in zero cost? See, you can see the development process can be done in zero cost. That is correct. But when it comes to deployment, then you need to invest a bit, like $5 in DigitalOcean. You can get $5 in what is that called? AWS. You can get free credits. Joga, Push. Abhishek growing his subs in 24 hours. Crazy win. Oh, thanks, Push. Thanks a lot, brother. Joga Bonito. In zero cost, the possibility is zero only. Okay. Santa Vanta. Hello, Santa Vanta. Welcome to my stream. Hey, can I make a full website with just by learning JavaScript? Yes, you can build a full website with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. But, that is not enough to get hired. Push. Abhishek, don't forget any of us when you are around 1 million subs and earning crores. Bro, like I'll never forget anyone. And I'll be creating a community where we all can connect together. We'll be doing that. Just a sec. Hold on. Okay. Maybe I can be backend SRC controllers, post controller, my post controller, get post. Okay, here. Where is it? Get all posts for feed. My console logging in somewhere. Maybe after this. Remove this. Keep this. Okay. So yeah, I can comment this part. Close this. Close this. Here. Close this. Now just close these things. This, and also this. Hold on, I closed that thing. Okay. Localhost 5173. I think I closed that stream tab also. Joga is 9 a.m. will be his CEO. Okay. Santa Banta. How should I start? Like I am just in first year college. Santa Banta, your first target should be to learn. Okay, Abhishek Sharma. Okay. Where's it? YouTube Studio. Watch IR code. Yes. You can start with, that thing. Where's my live? This is my live. Come here. This was the control room part. Fine. I was here. I'll also connect new incognito window. Localhost 5173. Fine. Here it will be test user 1. Test user 1. Okay, I did not start my backend. npm run dev. Madara. From internship, should I go for startups or big companies? Madara, I'm a big fan of startups. You should go for startups. I see big companies is fine, but growth is very limited. Push. Santa Banta grinding from first year is what will make you different from the rest. Make that count. Good luck. Yeah, well said. Push. Santa Banta, Joga Banta. Okay, bro. From which language and all can you brief? Santa Banta, you should start with JavaScript. I'll suggest JavaScript. Go to Chai or Code YouTube channel. There you will find a JavaScript playlist. Follow that. Santa Banta. Thanks, bro. Okay, Joga Bonito. It's JavaScript only. Then learn React and Tailwind. That might help you to build other websites. True. Okay, this is done. Now, if I come here, I should be able to log in. I logged in. Network error gone. Okay, log in. Then here also, which user logged in? It's test user one. Here also it's test user one. Two. It should be two here. Test user two. Test user two. Login here. This is test user two. Right. First, let's test user one. Test user one. Now, if I come here, I like this. You like this post. I'm not getting the notification here because we're getting the cache emitted like notification. Emitted like notification too. So my like controller emitted like notification too. Okay. Someone like the post. If I come here, this is happening. Pushkar Avasti, bro, you missed my comment. Scroll above. Where, brother? Push, where did I miss your comment? Abhishek growing his subs in 24 hours. Crazy man. Oh, thanks, Push. I think I said thanks for this. Okay. Joga Bunto K. Okay. See, notification is getting a minute, but why am I not seeing this? What is the issue? See, because maybe why is this happening here? Close this. Okay, let's go to Claude. This is my code. This is my backend code. Let's send. No, maybe let's attach files or folder, add to project, start a new project. Files. Can I send multiple files? Let's see. If I go to C, program files, C, users, abhi1, abhi desktop, I think, desktop work, development, MERN, projects, media, full stack, backend, SRC, controllers. Okay, I cannot. Okay, controllers. I'll send the post controller. I'll send like controller, comment controller. I'll send this. Open. Also send these things have been sent. Then after controllers, I'll send models, comment model, post model, user model. I'll send this. Arshad Zion, love the consistency, my man. Thanks, Arshad. Thanks a lot. Push. Nah, there's one more after I wrote about earning crores. Okay, where is it? Yeah, I told. I think I told that. Like. Okay, yeah, okay. Push. Abhishek, don't forget any of us when you are around 1 million subscribers and earning crores. Okay, thanks for this comment, Push. I hope, first of all, I'll not forget anyone, because soon I'll be making a community where you guys can join and, can interact with each other and you can interact with me. Joker Phoenix, what is the error you are facing? See, the error is that when I'm liking, one user is liking, the other user is not getting the notification. That error I'm trying to fix. Okay, so user model is sent. Then user model is sent. Fine. And then I'll send the front end code. Also, let's send the index. Attach files. Don't tell me how to use it. C model types. Backend. Sub C index. Let's do this. Let's add the front end files. Social media. Let's go to the front end. We'll upload src first app.tsx and socket.tsx. Joga Bonito, is there any link to download YouTube videos in standard pixels? I don't think so. Like, you can download videos. There are some apps, I think, but I don't know them. Like, I know on YouTube, on net you will find those things. Okay, front end is done. Then pages, feed page. This is my feed page. Where is my feed page? Add the feed page. After feed page, add the components. Feed src pages components, feed page components, feed post. Yes, and also here also sockets, not sockets, components. Front-end src components, and then socket. Yes. When one user likes, the other user does not get the notification toast. Now let's see. Joker Phoenix, I think it's a socket problem. Maybe. Looking at code, I can spot a bug index. There's a space in the room name. Just join. Okay. These don't match 29 and never reaches the right socket room. Fix this. That's the only. Okay, this was the main. This was the issue. Let's see. If this is the issue, then I'm the biggest idiot. Trust me. Just okay. Change this to this. Put this. And this. Let's see. Is this the issue? npm run dev. npm run dev. Come here, close this. Come here, close this. Localhost 5173. And here, new incognito window. Localhost 5173. Yeah. Oh no, my code. Have you taken subscription of Claude? No, I have not taken the subscription. Push. Use vibe to text. Abhi, seriously, you will increase productivity as you are good in engineering. Okay, in English. Okay. Try that. Shubhadeep, what will you say on Gotia University, I'm very disappointed because, that was a very good opportunity to show what students have researched, what people are doing. Even if it was a small original thing, na, that would have been a big thing. But I don't know what people are doing. Basically, uh, in our country, what is the issue is that people are in a rat race to be a good employee, but nobody wants to build something of their own. Nobody wants to, like, nobody wants to build anything. They just want a safety net. And we see that there are other countries like Sweden, UK, US, Canada, Australia, US. Why they're, like, why their economy are getting stronger is because in USA there's strong startup culture. Whatever we use, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Uber, then, OpenAI, LLM, Anthropic, all those things. I don't know about Anthropic, but OpenAI. See, these started as startups, and like, they build something. That's why, and they build something that entire world uses. But if in our country there are hardly anything that we build something and the entire world is using. We have to build something. You have to start a startup culture in our country. Joker, yes, typo. Joga bonito. It's just the space. How do you pay your bills? I pay my bills by freelancing most of the time. Oh, Madara Uchila, how to find and connect with founders on X. Even I'm trying to do that. See, I will be trying to build a community for entrepreneurs and founders and developers. I want to bring all of them together in one place. So that's what I'll be doing. Okay, hold on. Test user one. This test user two. Test user two. Login here. Fine. I'll come here. This is it. Test user one. Test user one. Now if I like. Yeah, someone like to. Yeah, I feel such an idiot now. Like, because of the space and OpenAI, like GPT cannot even tell that. See, Claude, I just gave all the files and it gave me the answer. It was the space, guys. It was the space. Now let's come here and let's comment. Let's see if the comment is working or not. Well done. Post. See, comment is also working. Uh, let's use this profile. If I come here now, let's try to like this is here. Now let's try to comment. Let's try to post this. Yeah, now it is working. Cool. Push cloud is indeed powerful. Yes, cloud encoding is on next level. Seriously, Joga. That's why I save my cloud. Where I try with Chat GPT. If I don't get the solution, I switch to cloud. Cloud. I mean, Joga. Eventually, it will happen. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. See, I want to start a community where developers, startup founders, entrepreneurs can all come together and they can interact with each other. They can share what they are building. They can hire each other. Something like that. Work with Harvinder. Hello, work with Harvinder. Welcome to my stream. Bro, I'm working as a software engineer in foreign company and also do content creation. Have 20K followers in just 50 posts. And I do freelancing earning around 1 lakh per month. Is it okay? I'm 22 right now. Bro, it is more than okay. What are you saying? It is more than okay. You are doing absolutely good, Harvinder. And thanks for joining the stream. Like, you can connect with me on Instagram. I would like to connect with you. We can talk, and like, I would like to learn from you how you are doing this. Varat Poddar, bro, how much time take to create first resume ready MERN project after doing MERN course? See, Varat, after you understand the MERN, you will take time. You should take time to build smaller projects like to do or blog. Do these two things: full stack to do or blog application with authentication. Right? Do these things and try to do it on your own. Also, if test user is working. Test, yeah, is working. MERN. No users found. Test user one. Hold on. Mon, me, mon, test the 2 5. Hakuna Matata, Hakuna Matata live. Okay, search by users is working. Okay, what to think? Yeah, after you build the to-do application worth Poddar, then you can build bigger applications like e-commerce, chat applications, social media applications, or try to build something of your own. Oh no, my code. How to think system design on your own. See, the first thing is that whenever you start to build something, first build this, what I call this an ER diagram, entity relationship diagram. No matter if you are using SQL database or NoSQL database, try to build this. This will give you a basic structure of your application. Then think about what will you use for caching, rate limiting, all those things. For what will you use for file handling, then create a server and client architecture, like what you want to go for, monolithic or you want to go for serverless, all those things. Understand those things before coding. You have to do these things, and once you understand all of this, then you start coding. Joga bonito, cloud gives explanation on doubts as well, or it just fixes the bugs. Joga bonito, cloud gives explanation also. Push, you didn't say about what SaaS you plan to do. Push, see, I want to build an AI SaaS. Basically, I have two main ideas. Like, I before starting it, I don't want to share it. Like, I'm confused about it. I'm not sure about it. Maybe when I start building it, then I'll share it. Costa, hello Costa, welcome to my stream. I'm targeting to take admission in CSE AIML. On 2030, AI will probably can coding 80 to 90% close to perfect. So what should I target on the basis of 2030 as an AI ML engineer? Okay. See, I would suggest that if you're targeting CS with AI ML, that is a good approach, because obviously by 2030 AI ML will, AI will do a lot of coding more than this. So I think you should, go for data engineering maybe, or data scientist, because with time more and more data will come, and you need to, be very good in understanding data, understanding pattern, understanding which AIML algorithm you are going to use. Or the second road is you can go for more deeper route, like you can go for learning how to build your own LLMs, how to contribute to building AGI, because probably by 2030 we'll get AGI. पुश अवस्थी, भाई 1 लाख कमा रहे हो, लैपटॉप ब्रोकन क्यों है? ओके, फाइन. Just a reminder, guys. If you enjoyed this stream, do consider subscribing. How are you? Okay, there we go. How are you? Test user 2, and there, test user 1. I am good. I am good. Hold on. I am good. This is it. Fine. I am good. Nice. Okay, our text is working, and let's upload a file. Downloads this. Is this working? Can I upload the chat? This, and here I got it in real time. Okay, so our text is working absolutely fine. Cool. Okay, and this is done. Okay. Costa, what about AI agent orchestrator? See, AI agent orchestrator right now it is being built. With by 2030, more and more people will be there. Yeah, you can go for that also. Varat Poddar, what you did here in Excalibur, I want to learn this. Basically, here I built an ER diagram. This is called entity relationship diagram. Basically, these are the tables or documents in my applications: user, post, likes, comments, conversation, messages, and then I make a relation like how they are connected to each other. So before we build anything, we should do this AR diagram, ER diagram, entity relationship diagram. सेम वर्क विथ हरविंदर, सेम यूज़र नेम है. ओके, वर्क विथ हरविंदर, चेक करो, पता लग जाएगा. जूल मैनुअल, व्हाट फोल्डर फॉर्मेट you will have used pro for backend? I've used basic for in my backend. The folder structure is simple. I have built src, source folder. Then in config, I have my database configuration and Redis configuration. In the controllers, I have built chat, comment, like, post, like a different controller for separation of concerns. Then in middlewares, I have built the rate limiting, multi middleware, and authentication middleware. Then models, I have created my database models, schemas, basically user, post, messages, like what I showed in the ER diagram. Then here I have built the routes, and in types I have built the data types, and utility functions I have created the utility functions like cloudinary, caching, API response, and all. And that is it. Fine. Okay, let's just push this in Git and come here. Fine. What changes? Enhance comment and like function with Redis caching and notify improvements. Comment. Commit. Okay. Now push. Kaushik, bro, where you learned the full stack development? Kaushik, I learned everything from YouTube. I research good resources, then I pick one resource and I complete it, and then I build what I learn. I apply it by building projects. That's it. That's the path I go for. Fine. And GitHub. Joga Bonito done for the day. Yeah, Joga Bonito for today. I think this is much. This much is fine. From tomorrow, like we'll be working on the UI improvements and making the code like UI mobile responsive. Push. You will remember me every time you push the code. Well said. Okay, repositories. Let's see. MERN social media project. Here, fine. Backend, enhance comment. Okay, backend. I just cannot believe that you, because of that small space, we were getting so much errors. Varat Poddar, DSA did. Varat, I used to do DSA before I apply for companies. That's it. Joga Bonito. Framer motion and stuff. Like for the initial version, I will be not be implementing Framer motion, or maybe I will be implementing Framer motion. Just a sec, I'll just check. Framer motion. What is Framer motion? React. What is Framer motion? Basically, get started. What is it? Get started. Motion. Examples. Unlock it. Okay. Drag. Keyframes. Okay. Let's see. Transition. Okay. Okay. We can implement this. Push DSA is for losers. Ask Abhi, he knows it. Yeah, see, basically, if you are going for that job route, you want job and all those things, then that's fine. But see, my concern is not to get a job. My concern is to start my own startup. So, see, DSA and project building both builds your logic building, right? One, people who are interested in getting jobs and all, they can go for DSA path account, but you cannot ignore web dev. You have to, build projects, and for that you need web dev. But and people also build what is that called, logic building with web dev. I choose that part where I build my logic building using web dev, and I did DSA, but I used to do DSA only before applying to companies, and only basics like string and arrays. Varan, the Next.js is good for full stack. How do you think? See, I'm a fan of Next.js only the front end part. I'm not a fan of Next.js backend part because there are lots of issues. Joga Bonito. Since you have made it in React, then Framer is the best. Otherwise, I would have told you to animate in Gas. Okay, GSAP. Okay, okay, fine. Motion plus. What is it? Spinning 3D cube. Bounce easy. Plus. Let's see. Okay. Motion around path. Let's see. Oh, there are lots of good concepts. Job 70% is array only in DSA. That is true. Okay, we can use this. Hold on. There are lots of good things here. Framer motion. Ingredients. What is this? Okay, that's nice. We can do something about it. Buttons, carousels. Let's see. Carousels. That's nice. We can implement these things. This is actually very good. I can star it. Maybe when I build my SaaS, this will be useful for me. Cursor. Dynamic playful cursor. Okay. Let's see. Mm-hmm. I seen my seniors who never did DSA like lead code, but they still has very good software dev positions. Yeah, see, it's if you know development, you have that logic building skill. Push, good night, bro. Yeah, good night, Push, and thanks for joining the stream. I'll also wrap up now. Joga Brindo, yeah, sure. Bharat Poddar, Lenis, you should implement in your project. Lenis, what is Lenis? Lenis. Okay, Lenis basically infinite scrolling. Okay, smooth scroll. Okay. Okay, Lenis, got it. These are very interesting things. Maybe I can create a new folder, bookmarks bar. What I can choose another folder, new folder. Not here. Yeah, here I can say UI libraries. Lenis UI libraries. Then I will save it in UI libraries. Did I get UI libraries here? No, not inside business. Where is it? UI libraries. Hold on. I can remove this one. This is not required. Delete. I got UI libraries and I can also implement inside this UI libraries. Okay, fine. Push. Don't forget to try vibe to text. What is vibe to text? Vibe to text. Is it vibe to text? Transcribe audio and video to text. This one. Yoga the locomotive does the same. Locomotive, Lenis and GSAP. Okay. What is locomotive? Locomotive. What is it? Locomotive scroll. Okay. Locomotive scroll. Okay. Something like this. Save this also. UI libraries. Yeah. Okay. One. This one. Which one? Wipe to text. Which one is it? Can you show which one? Vibe to text. Right. You said vibe to text only. Vibe to text. Push, you can send me the link in my Instagram. I'll check it out. Okay. All right, everyone. I'll wrap up now. Thanks for watching the stream, and if you enjoyed the stream, do consider subscribing. And it will help me a lot if you subscribe. So yeah, and until next stream, just keep improving yourself, keep learning, keep building projects, and just upskill yourself. I'll see you in the next stream. Bye.